Hey, it's Lorena with FamilyVacationGoals.com. Today we're coming to you from Sandals, Grand Antigua, in Antigua, which is gorgeous. It has 365 beaches, but sadly I don't have that much PTO. We are in the Mediterranean club level suite, and I'm going to give you a little tour of our room. So first what we're going to look at is the closet. Super exciting. There are multiple pillow options, which I personally like. Some nice cozy robes, your safe, and umbrellas. Next over here, we have got the traditional bathroom, just a cute little closet of a toilet. Here we have got this gigantic rainfall shower. I could say that 10 times fast. Plenty of space for two. You also have got this beautiful jacuzzi tub, which is exactly where I plan to be in the very near future. And then two sinks, so you don't have to share. Because why do you want to share? That's no fun. You get your own space. All right, out here I'm going to show you, we've got the full-length mirror. And then this is a club level, so you're going to get a restockable bar. For the alcohol, you can make specific requests, but this is including blended Scotch whiskey, vodka, gin, Jamaican Gold rum, and of course the Cabernet from Twin Oaks, which is excellent. Down here, Poppy is going to help me show you the stocked fridge. So you're gonna have lots of options: Carib, waters, champagne, white wine, mixers, coffee, water, sodas, and you can ask for specific things if you want. Also have a giant TV, drawers with lots of space, a little sitting area. Now this bed is gorgeous. A nice big mahogany bed, king size bed. And if you come over here, you can see the ocean from your bed. I don't know if you can see it here. Let me see if I zoom in. You can see the ocean from your bed, which is super fun. Little sitting area there. And then probably the most beautiful thing about this room, of course, is gonna be the ocean view. You can see the ocean from here. And you can feel the tropical rhythms. I have your coffee out here. I mean, this is, if you've got an early riser, this is a perfect room to have. One can be sleeping, one can be enjoying their coffee out on the patio. Beautiful room. I'm gonna give a tour back through the other way so you can see a little place to hang your bathing suit and white items. But we are ready to unpack and get to enjoying this absolutely gorgeous resort. Questions, comments, pricing, shoot me a message, FamilyVacationGoals.com.